Hey YouTube, Sycra here. Today I wanted to ask for your help on something. My friend Meryl Kazanjian is leading an effort to get YouTube to create a visual arts category. This will, for the first time, give artists a place they can post their art and give art lovers a hand in finding videos of the visual arts. Instead of the current categories artists currently post in, like how to and style, and film and animation, we'll finally have a category that fits what we do, visual arts. He's made a lot of progress in his efforts so far, and has the attention of YouTube, but he needs our help. If enough people speak up, YouTube will listen. So how can you make a difference? It's easy. I've posted a link in the description below to Google's forum. All you need to do is write a sentence or two letting them know that you agree that we need a visual arts category on YouTube. Sound simple? It is. So let's make this happen, guys. By the way, the picture I drew is what Meryl actually looks like. As you can see, he needs our help.